In the previous episode of Bob's Your Uncle, we removed the AOD transmission from the 1988 Fox Body Cougar. In this episode, I clean it up and inspect it to get it ready for my 1970 Cougar. Before I try using my pressure washer on this, I need to cover some holes. The two cooler lines are stuffed with earplugs, and the dipstick hole is covered with a tight-fitting grommet. And of course, we don't forget the output shaft, which is covered with water-resistant duct tape. While that was drying, I set up the torque converter to drain. Fortunately, on these old Ford torque converters, a drain hole is included here, so I can get out most of the 22-year-old fluid. Oh, and it looks like Finn the cat is taking exception with what I'm doing. The pan was another mini project. It's hard to see here, but it is embossed with automatic overdrive in cursive, metric in bold caps, and of course the Ford logo. It cleaned up well, so I sprayed it with some royal blue. Then I could have used a couple more coats, but the pan's it's got dings in it and stuff. And I straightened out whatever I could of the flange here and the actual bolt holes to make sure that it would not leak. And I bought a pan gasket and filter. It looks right. Yeah. So I'm just going to clean up the hardware. It's a little gooky. And get what I believe is an 8mm. So the Wix number 58939 includes the filter and the gasket, which is nice. And it was very reasonably priced. So yeah, I'm going to get busy and clean up the hardware and grab an 8mm, and I'll be right back. And also, don't over torque your transmission pan bolts. There we go. There. Okay, well that's it for this quick video. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss the series where I replaced my old 3-speed C6 tranny in my 1970 Cougar with this AOD from a 1988 Cougar. We are going to need some modifications, but they won't be too bad. Thanks for watching, friends.